All right, welcome back. So, red day today. Red day. Down 115 to 84. So, red day. Death by 1,000 paper cuts today. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. My accuracy was negative. My profit, my risk reward, my profit factor, average win, average loss, or whatever is negative. So, just really couldn't get behind anything. I couldn't get anything going. I never got green today. And overall, just it was a challenging day for me. Coming into the open, I was small red, and then I just never got to green. Just never got green today. SNTI was the winner, but it was so dang choppy and very, very difficult. Just didn't have those explosive breakouts that I was waiting for, and not much continuation. We'll get a pop, and then it'll just like the volume will disappear. We'll get a pop, volume will disappear. And I struggled on this type of price action. I know a lot of other traders did too. But yeah, so really not much to show. Bad fills. I don't have any like live videos to show you. I tried capturing this front side in SNTI, and I'm red. The stock is going up, and I'm red. So that's just how my strategy didn't really work well. It's just how my strategy performed on this. Wasn't really well. Definitely favored the longer hold times on this, for sure. Quick scalps were definitely not the way to go on SNTI, which is why I'm red. Tops, again, tops was choppy, and the spreads were insanely big. Got in here for the dip. I thought this thing was going to start pulling away, and took a 10-cent loss, 200 shares. That was it. $18 loss. SOBR, I thought this one would be the winner early in the day. This thing popped up. I bought 28. Well, that's a break-even trade. What was I doing there? Then I bought 51 all the way up here. Stopped out for a 10-cent loss. Man, I thought we were going to continue through 364, and I thought this was going to make a pretty big explosive move. We have RMED. This one, pre-market, took a dip buy, took a 4-cent gain on it. Didn't really give much. Finger, FNGR. This one was a good one the other day. This is the one that I made 700 on. This thing took a 3-cent gain on it for the break of VWAP. Didn't hold up. Went hard backside at the open. AVCT. Took a scalp. 79 to 80 on the dip. Never held up and never had any continuation. ATXI, $52 loss. That was right here. So pre-market, I went for a breakout here, but didn't hold up. Took a small loss there. $25 loss there. Another $25 loss. Here, buying at 1603, taking a 75-cent loss. 75 cents a share, all the way down here at 1520. So I tried buying the dip, and I got flushed on. I thought this was looking good with the breakthrough high a day. That was ATXI. AERC. Choppy. All these stocks, man. Choppy. And here, what was I doing here? 411, adding through the highs, and looks like I stopped out for break even. It pulled all the way back to 410, and then all the way back, breaking through the high, and then just got chopped up in there. Dips, chops higher. Look at this. Like, this is so hard to trade. Maybe for the breakthrough 450, that would have been a good move. But again, not the best at all. And then a chop into the close. I mean, it did move. It did move. This wasn't too bad. If I was eyeing this at 525, 526, 527 up in here, and no bueno. No bueno. I didn't take it. And then I tried getting in at 39 for the break through the highs and took a 1 cent loss there. Again, here 39 for the break through the highs and took another 1 cent loss. So today just wasn't my day. Today wasn't my day. I never really got the size up. So all the losses, I just pretty much had a lot of small losses adding up to $100. So, not too worried about this red day. I would have liked to keep this under $100, but 115 isn't too bad. I can easily make that back within one trade to 1 day, so I'm not really too worried. It was good that I kept my share size small, and now I can, I don't have a hole to dig myself out of, and I didn't give back any much profits from yesterday's big day. Yesterday, I had a $740 day, so this is only a very small percentage of giving back profits, and I'm not really too worried. What would have been bad was giving back half of the profits that I made yesterday or more, or even the full day of profits. So I was able to identify early in the morning that, by 9:30, there was no good movers, no good gap and goes, no fresh stock with fresh catalyst, low float. And with that information, I was able to size down, adjust, and keep the losses small. That's the key to staying in this game and staying profitable as a day trader. Going to have red days. The key is to keep them small. $115 is, my max loss was like $100 today. If it's a cold market, my max loss needs to be adjusted much lower than if it was a hotter market. And hotter market yesterday, I was able to make 700. Today, losing 100. I would so much rather, this ratio of profit to loss rather than trying to force my way to trying to get back to green and suffering deeper in the red. I'd rather just hang it up here, admit defeat on one battle, one occasion, come back tomorrow and fight again to try to get green. We did have a move in TOPS is an oddball. This thing is an oddball. It moved 350 to 750. Power hour, or not power hour, after hours moved $2 a share. This thing has legs, but it's so unreliable. It's so choppy. It's so hard to trust. That has been the theme today, for sure. So we'll see what we have in store for tomorrow. But for today, I'm taking the loss. Come back at it tomorrow, see what we got. So that's it for me. Quick recap, under 10 minutes. You guys like the video, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.